Army civilian here at Fort Stewart-Hunter Army Airfield. Congratulations on your decision to come work at an incredible installation. We are the Army's home in coastal Georgia. There are many opportunities here for you as you either begin your federal career or if you moved here to advance your career. The command team is fully committed to give us the opportunity to get the training we need to be proficient in our current jobs and to gain the skills needed for career advancement. The Workforce Training and Development webpage on the Fort Stewart website includes an abundance of information to help you as you transition to your new position. I strongly encourage you to take a look at the Employee Handbook on the webpage. This includes useful information such as an introductory letter from the command team, all of the garrison policies regarding civilian employment such as holiday schedule, time and attendance information, the many awards and recognition programs we offer, information regarding the EEO office and reasonable accommodations, and so much more. It is filled with over 100 pages of up-to-date information. The Workforce Training and Development page also includes information about the many training opportunities that are available both on the installation level and from our higher headquarters. Some local training at the installation level that I have taken includes classes in Microsoft Office products so that I can be more proficient when creating Army correspondence and spreadsheets. Additionally, there are many opportunities to participate in training that is paid for by Installation Management Command, our higher headquarters. I am currently participating in the 10-month Certified Public Manager program that is sponsored by my career program. I learned about the program from the Workforce Training and Development Office, so I applied and was accepted. I am confident that completing this program will provide me with skills that will benefit the installation. We do work very hard here at Fort Stewart-Hunter Army Airfield to support the soldiers and families of the 3rd ID and the tenant units, but we also have plenty of time to have fun. My favorite thing about the area is the weather. We are able to be outside 12 months out of the year. This provides a great opportunity to visit the many beaches in the area, play some golf or tennis on Hilton Head Island, go for motorcycle rides, or visit a trail and go for a walk or a run. Since we are centrally located in the south, there are plenty of places to visit for weekend excursions. Within a short 4-hour drive, you can get to Atlanta, Myrtle Beach, Orlando, and Daytona Beach. My experience here has been incredible. I've been able to gain skills and advance my career right here at Fort Stewart. I have always been supported by my supervisors to take additional training, and they are very supportive of career advancement. When I moved here as an Army spouse 10 years ago, I didn't realize how much I would love this area. Now that my husband is getting ready to retire, we have decided to stay here and make coastal Georgia our permanent home due to the opportunities that are available to our family both professionally and personally. I want to welcome you to an incredible team, and I look forward to seeing you around.